In this session, we will discuss hardness of water. In the earlier session, we have discussed what is soap, cleansing action of soap, hardness of water, temporary and permanent hardness. Hardness of water is the characteristic property of water that prevents the lathering of soap. It is the soap consuming capacity of water or the capacity of precipitation of soap. It is due to the presence of salts of calcium, magnesium, and other heavy metal like aluminium, iron, and manganese. Degree of hardness is defined as number of parts by weight of calcium carbonate hardness per particular number of parts of water, depending upon the unit implied. Though the hardness does not always arise due to the presence of calcium carbonate in water, it is standard practice to express it in terms of equivalents of calcium carbonate. Reasons for use of calcium carbonate as standard are its molecular weight is 100 and its equivalent weight is 50, which makes calculations very convenient. It is the most insoluble salt that can be precipitated out of water. Units of hardness. One unit is parts per million, that is parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per 10 raised to power 6 parts of water. 1 ppm is 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 10 raised to power 6 parts of water. Second unit is milligrams per liter. It is number of milligrams of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 1 liter of water. 1 milligram per liter is equal to 1 milligram of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 1 liter of water. Since 1 liter of water is equal to 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram is equal to 10 to the power 6 milligram. Hence 1 milligram per liter is equal to 1 milligram of calcium carbonate equivalent per 10 to the power 6 milligram of water is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent per 10 to the power 6 parts of water is equal to 1 ppm. That is 1 milligram per liter is equal to 1 ppm. Third unit is degree Clark. It is number of grains, that is 1 by 7000 pound of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per gallon, which is equal to 10 pound of water. 1 degree Clark is equal to 1 grain of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per gallon of water. 1 degree Clark is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per 70,000 parts of water. Other unit is degree French. It is the parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per 10 to the power 5 parts of water. Next unit is milliequivalents per liter. It is number of milliequivalents of hardness present per liter. 1 milliequivalent per liter is equal to 1 milliequivalent of calcium carbonate per liter of water is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 into equivalent is 50 gram of calcium carbonate per liter is equal to 50 milligram of calcium carbonate equivalent per liter is equal to 50 milligram per liter of calcium carbonate equivalent is equal to 50 ppm. 1 milliequivalent per liter is equal to 50 ppm. Now we will try to see a relationship between various units. 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per liter is equal to 0.07 degree Clark is equal to 0.1 degree French is equal to 0.02 milliequivalent per liter. Expression of hardness, how different hardness impurities are expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Hardness, calcium carbonate equivalent is equal to strength of hardness producing substance in milligram per liter into equivalent weight of calcium carbonate, which is 50, divided by equivalent weight of hardness producing substance, is equal to strength of hardness producing substance in milligram per liter into 50 divided by equivalent weight of hardness producing substance. Equivalents of calcium carbonate, here dissolved salts are shown. Calcium bicarbonate molar mass is 162, equivalent is 81, and multiplication factor is 100 by 162. This multiplication factor is available for different hardness producing substances. It is always better to use the factor 50, which is equivalent weight of calcium carbonate divided by equivalent weight of hardness producing substance. Otherwise, one has to remember the multiplication factor when one is using molecular weight 100. One has to take care if one is using 100 as molecular weight of calcium carbonate. In case of bicarbonate ions, molar mass is 61 and chemical equivalent is 61. But multiplication factor when one is using 100 for molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 122. So it is easier to use equivalent weight 50 by 61, which is equivalent weight of bicarbonate. In case of sodium aluminate, molar mass is equal to chemical equivalent, but multiplication factor is 100 by 164. If one uses equivalent weight by equivalent weight, then easier in the calculations. In case of aluminium sulfate, Z is equal to 6 and equivalent weight is 57. So here one can use 50 by 57, but if one is using multiplication factor using 100 as molecular weight of calcium carbonate, then one has to remember it is 100 by 114. In case of proton, molar mass and chemical equivalent are 1, but multiplication factor is 100 by 2. What I want to emphasize is it is better if one is using the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate and the equivalent weight of hardness producing substance. Factor is 50 divided by equivalent weight of hardness producing substance. Degree of hardness of drinking water for soft, it is 0 to 60 milligram per liter. Medium, 60 to 120 milligram per liter. Hard water is from 120 to 180 milligram per liter, and very hard water is higher than 180 milligram per liter. Numerical problem. A water sample contains 200 milligram of calcium sulfate per liter. Calculate the hardness in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent in milligram per liter, degree Clark and degree French. Solution is hardness equivalence of calcium carbonate is equal to strength of calcium sulfate milligram per liter into 50 equivalent weight of calcium carbonate divided by equivalent weight of calcium sulfate. We can calculate calcium sulfate molar mass is 136, equivalent weight is 68. If one can remember multiplication factor When one is using 100 as a molecular weight of calcium carbonate, then one has to use 100 by 136. Otherwise, one can calculate calcium carbonate equivalent hardness. There are 200 milligrams of calcium sulfate into 50 divided by 68, which is equivalent weight of calcium sulfate, 147.05 milligram per liter. We have to now convert it into ppm, degree Clark and degree French. Since we know the relationship 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram per liter is equal to 0.1 degree French is equal to 0.07 degree Clark, we can convert 147.05 milligram per liter, which is equal to 147.05 ppm, is equal to 14.7 degree French is equal to 10.29 degree Clark. Another problem: calculate temporary hardness and permanent hardness of a sample of water containing magnesium bicarbonate is equal to 7.3 milligram per liter, calcium bicarbonate is equal to 16.2 milligram per liter, magnesium chloride is equal to 9.5 milligram per liter, calcium sulfate is equal to 13.6 milligram per liter. Solution is, we have to convert these salts into calcium carbonate equivalents. We can make a table. This is multiplication factor, and we find the calcium carbonate equivalent 5 milligram per liter for magnesium bicarbonate, 10 milligram per liter for calcium bicarbonate, and so on. Now we have to calculate the temporary and permanent hardness of water. We have to see which ions are responsible for giving temporary hardness. Since bicarbonates are responsible for temporary hardness, so this will give rise to temporary hardness. Chloride and sulfate are responsible for permanent hardness, therefore this will give rise to permanent hardness. So temporary hardness is due to magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate, which is equal to 15 ppm. Permanent hardness is due to magnesium chloride and calcium sulfate, so it is 20 ppm. One can use this factor instead of multiplication factor if one doesn't remember. In summary, we have discussed degree of hardness, units of hardness, expression of hardness, which is in terms of equivalents of calcium carbonate, degree of hardness of drinking water. We have discussed some numerical problems regarding hardness of water are concerned. Thanks for watching this video.